Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming you meet Airtel requirements and that your phone supports ESIM. Once done, sign into the Airtel app or customer portal and request an ESIM transfer or replacement. Make sure to keep your current ESIM active until the new profile is ready. You'll receive an SMS or email with an activation QR or code. Save it. Finally, enable Wi-Fi and disable any VPN, so the device can contact Airtel servers without interference during activation. You now scan the Airtel QR or manually enter the provided SMDS address, activation code, and exit into Add ESIM. During this step, the phone downloads the profile from Airtel's server. Be patient if it takes a minute. Once the profile appears, name it like Airtel Primary and set data/voice preferences as needed. Make sure you don't delete your old ESIM until the new one shows signal. If the install stalls, retry the QR scan after restarting the phone and disabling VPN. You finish by selecting the Airtel ESIM as active for voice and data, then test a call, send an SMS, and load a web page to verify data. Once everything works, remove or archive the old ESIM profile if you no longer need it. If you hit problems, first restart the device and try the QR or manual input again. Also ensure date/time are set to automatic. If issues persist, contact Airtel with your IXID and activation code so they can remotely push the profile or reset provisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.